Alright everyone, welcome back to Automotive Anatomy. Man, it's a beautiful sunny morning. It's 7:10, I want to say, 7:10 around there. We're going to head out to Rancho Cucamonga. We're going to show some love and support to the homies from Fidel Fam. Right there, right there. They're hosting at VisualAutoMart. Cars and Coffee. It starts at 9, so I'm obviously early, but I'm looking forward to taking a lot of pictures today. So, that's the move. Expect a lot of clean Hondas. There was like 4 meets today. It's crazy, but decided to come to this one just because the homies, you know, Alan's been such a great supporter. Look at the mountains over there. You guys can't see it, but Alan's such a great supporter. I appreciate him so much, just as an individual. So want to go say what's up to him, and yeah, we'll catch you guys there. Such a beautiful morning, man. Beautiful morning. Dude, this is the reason I love Cali, man. Remember the mountains that I showed earlier? Like, you guys can't see? Now look at this. 35 minutes in, we're right next to them. 35 minutes in, we'll probably be in them. That's crazy. And I just missed my exit. Dele, güey. Por andar grabando como pendejo. Ah, okay. Alright, ni modo. We're with the... It's all good. We're in good company with the music. There's a 10. I should be up there. Sorry. Todos me dicen que... Per usual, we like to show up early. Now, hopefully, you guys don't get to see like my fingers because I forgot. I misplaced my little the holder, so now I'm having to handheld it, like really handheld it. So we're early because you guys know how I am. But damn, already it's banging. Thing's gonna get packed, bro. This entire spot's gonna get packed. Right-hand drive too? Fuck, man. All these FOMO I'm getting. Damn. It's right-hand drive too. Isn't she lovely? Yeah. So dope. So Alan, if you guys haven't checked out his YouTube channel, I'll put it on the description. Alan's cool, man. He has a couple 8th gen Civics. For those of you who always complain about there's no FDs, there's no FAs, that's your guy right there, man. Has a lot of cool stuff. But what I've been digging lately is his van. He got a Sienna, Toyota Sienna if I'm not mistaken. It looks dope. He lowered a little bit, just enough. I mean, I would love to lower it more. Ooh, nice F80. I think Goldie needs to start to get hit a couple times. Yeah. Nice. Well, aside from the starter getting hit a couple times, she sounds good. Damn, this freaking wagon. I love this generation wagon, man. So obviously there's a common theme with me. I like wagons. Let's hear Goldie come out. Morning, Mark. Damn, she sounds so nice. Damn, right-hand drive NSX? Jeez. No need to introduce Goldie. Sounds nice, man. Sounds really, really nice. Love the texture on the seats.
Turning that way? You're good. Keep going. Keep turning. You're good. Crank it. Crank it. Crank it.
It's homie Alan, the other organizer of the event. Morning, morning. I brought this lens specifically because I know that's going to be like, it's an open space, and so I can get a lot of range, but that also means I need to walk away farther away if I'm trying to get certain shots. But damn, super dope. So yeah, it's going to quickly start getting packed, so that's why I want to make sure that I get some of the cars in. They're going to put in Alan's car inside, Seeker inspired. So good, man. This 8th gen is so good. So I think they're gonna back it in to the shop. This is crazy though. These stands right here on this one. Woo! This is nice. It has John's car hauler. Looks really cool. Wait, where are they putting his car? It's going all the way around. Oh, that makes for a good picture. John's doggo. You gotta run over, bro. Okay. Careful with the dog.
Go straight. Alright, turn it. There you go. Hold on. Keep turning. Keep going. Straight. Go. Turn back. Go this way. Straight. Go that way. Keep going. Straight. Straight.
Sick. Nice dog. Look at this. It's already not even 8. It's already getting packed, man. This is great. All right, I'm gonna take some pictures. Morning, Miguel. Morning, Miguel.
Morning.
Let me take some pictures of some of the cars coming in. Homie Sal's there. Beautiful CB7 right here. White on white. Looks super clean, man. Super, super clean. Nice stance on it. I think the cool thing is like the entire lighting is gonna be pretty similar. Obviously over in the sun is gonna be a little bit different, but for the most part it's gonna be very similar. So let me see if I can take video and pictures. That's the challenge, man. As much as you want to take a whole bunch of video, and you can't do everything, and one has to give, you know. So if I can't get everyone, I do apologize. I'm not trying to do it on purpose. Just it's one of those things where I just can't get everybody. Can't get. No, I like getting here early because I get to take a whole bunch of shots. Like Eric, his buddy showed up, so I was over there. Completely clear view of these, you know, beautiful builds. Uninterrupted, I would say. Not because I don't like people walking around, but it just gives it a different feel to it, right? Like sometimes I do want people to be around their car, but let's be honest, for the most part we want to see a car by itself. Eric and I should be meeting up. I think we're gonna do like a podcast type of style. You know, we'll do a little bit of review on the car. I've been digging just sitting down with people and getting to know them a little bit better. So I was telling some people off camera, like, I'm gonna be slowing down with the YouTube channel, and I don't know, just have like more meaningful conversations. But obviously, nevertheless, we're still here for the cars. I'll still be around. I'll still, you know, gonna make it to certain events like this one. This is one of those events that you definitely want to make it out to. Anything Fredo does, you definitely want to come out and support. Just good vibes, man. I never felt like, you know, my car's not clean like some of, you know, these individuals, but never felt at a place. And I think that, to me, that's the biggest thing you could ask for of a car meet. You know, do you not feel out of place? And that's cool. Eric, if you guys remember, we interviewed him on a 5th gen red coupe such as this, but it's not the same car. He got rid of that one, and per usual, you know, a lot of you guys sell cars and then kind of regret it, or at the moment it was time to sell, and now it's time to kind of, you know, you had other priorities and you kind of miss it, right? So then you're like, oh, let me get another car back, and you want to pick up another 5th gen and then rebuild that one from the ground up as well. The old one was, I think, a B20, if I'm not mistaken. This one's a K. So definitely moving along the right path, I would say. This hatch, I haven't seen it. This is the second time I've seen it. The first time was at Old Lifestyle, and I'm in love with the tire setup. Like, you guys don't understand how much in love I am with it. It just, the wheel and tire fitment, I just love it. It's my whole jam now. Super cool. The Advance, it looks so good. That's the thing about 4x100 or even 5x114. The specs on wheels, it just works. That's the only thing I do. I mean, can you rock, you know, a 4x114 wheel and a very nice spec? Yeah, of course. But these ones are just like, I don't know what the specs are on this one, but it's so proper, man. Look at that. That beefy tire setup is like, damn. They're 15, so I'm assuming, what, 15 by 7.5 plus 30 plus 35, maybe. It just works. So, such a chill morning. I thought it was gonna be cold. It's not. It's actually pretty warm, but it's working out. But man, such clean builds. I love the vibe on this location, and I don't know, man. It's just chill to come and chill. It's just chill to come and chill. Look at that. That's when you know you're running out of things to say. Luckily for me today, the cars really do all the talking. I don't have to say much. FK8. Alright, let me take more pictures, man. This is cool. Every angle, I also feel like every angle gives a different vibe, you know, depending on the backdrop. I think that wall's pretty cool with the blue. I think it would create for a nice contrast. You got the DB8. Sick. KA is getting the perfect lighting. I took a shot from down there. I took a shot from here. That thing is gonna be crazy. Whoever parks there is gonna be nice. The lighting is just right on point. A couple more camaradas hanging out over here, just chilling. Homie Raúl, echando sus historias. Oh, he did the carbon fiber scoops. That's cool. Switched it up. Oh, he switched it up on the wheels too. Okay. Sick. Look at this. Someone look at this. Just sick. Nice. I can't even see it. It's too dark here. This would go hard over there next to the AFK because it would just make the black paint pop, and the green Desmond just pop as well. I've seen this one a couple meets. Just love the fitment on it. It's hard, man. It's so simple too, you know. It's just the paint obviously is like perfect, but on that it's very simple. A couple other cars we've seen at previous meets, such as JDM Inspire meets. It's always fun to just catch different cars. That's the cool thing about coming to the IE, man. Oh, homie Eddie. Famoso coming in. Buenos dias. Sick. Another huge DA fan. I don't know how many he has right now, but when we met up, that was a while back, man. I think he had like 4 4 or 3. Then got rid of a couple ones, and then now I don't know how many he has, but it's nice to see him. Went on hiatus for a while. I wouldn't see him, but we see some of these ones. I think this is something, his name is Barajas. Very sick. That's the only bad thing about like dark wheels. The shade doesn't do justice for them. It just really hides them. And that's a good thing about white cars, you know, white and white. Damn, look at that fit. Oh my goodness, that fitment on it. Thing is insane. Hell yes. It's like the most perfect daily driver right there. Oh, with the clears in the back. Oh my god. Thing is sick. Super clean. But yeah, that's the only bad thing about the dark wheels. When there's shade, it just kind of takes them out. But on that's pretty good, man. Great turnout thus far. Still early. It's gonna get packed, but.
Oh yeah. Oh, see, it's gonna happen like that.
If I'm not mistaken, that Nissan hardbody is SR swapped. I think it's a SR swapped.